What is a teenage pregnancy? Teenage pregnancy refers to a pregnancy in a female under the age of 20. It's a complex issue with various social, health, and economic implications. Here are the some key aspects. Health risk. Teenage mother and their babies face higher risk of complication during the pregnancy and childbirth. Social and economic challenges. Teenage mothers often face the challenge in completing their education and finding the stable employment and achieving financial independence. They may have experienced social stigma and limited opportunities. Parental support. The availability of supportive family and community resources can significantly impact the outcome for teenage mother and their children. Prevention. Education and awareness programs, access to contraception, and comprehensive sex education play a crucial role in preventing teenage pregnancy. What are the some of the common misconceptions about teenage pregnancy? Teenage pregnancy is the topic surrounded by many misconceptions, often fluid by societal basis and outdated beliefs. Here are the some common misconceptions. Myth 1. Teen pregnancy is on the rise. In reality, teen pregnancy rates have been steadily declining in United States for decades. While the issue remains significantly, it's not growing. This decline is attributed to increased access to contraception and comprehensive sex education and greater awareness of the challenges associated in teen parenthood. Myth 2. Teen pregnancy is the mostly an urban problem. In reality, while teen pregnancy rates are higher in urban areas, rural areas often have the higher rates. This is due to factors like limited access to healthcare, contraception, and comprehensive sex education in rural communities. Myth 3. Teen pregnancy is the result of bad parenting. In reality, while parenting guidance and communication about sex and relationship are important, blaming parents surely for teen pregnancy is unfair. For teenagers ultimately make their own choices about sexual activities. Myth 4. Teens can't be good parents. In reality, while teen parents face unique challenges, many successfully raises healthy, well-adjusted children. Support from family, friends, and community resources play a crucial role in their success. Myth 5. Teen pregnancy is no worse in United States than in other countries. In reality, states has significantly higher teen pregnancy rates compared to other development countries. This is a matter of concern, as it contributes to a range of social and economic challenges. What are some successful programs or initiatives that have been implemented to address the teenage pregnancy in specific countries? Several countries have implemented successful programs and initiatives to address the teenage pregnancy and demonstrating that a concerted effort can lead to significantly reduction in rates. Here are some of the notable examples. United Kingdom, England. Comprehensive strategy and coordinate action. The program. The UK's 10 years teenage pregnancy strategy involved a comprehensive program across the four themes. Joined up action at national and local levels, improve sex education and access to contraception, a national communication campaign, and coordinate support for young parents. Success. From 1998 to 2015, England have its adolescents' fertility rate from 30 births per 1,000 women to 15 births per 1,000 women. Key features. The strategy was evidence-based, implemented through dedicated structures, regularly viewed, and embedded in wider government programs. Ethiopia Community Health Workers and Education Investment Program. Ethiopia's flagship health programs implemented by 35,000 community health workers provided nearly universal basic health care, including sex education and contraception to largely rural population. Success. Ethiopia's adolescent fertility rate declines from 118 births per 1,000 women ages 15 to 19 in 1993 to 97 per 1,000 in 2017. Key features investment in education, particularly increased school enrollment, contribute to reduction in teenage pregnancy. Jamaica psychosocial and financial support for pregnant girls. Program. The program Jamaica focused on providing psychosocial and financial support to ensure that pregnant girls stayed in school, reducing the chance of repeating pregnancies and school dropouts. The success of Jamaica's program. The success is Jamaica reduced its adolescent pregnancy rate from 131 per 1,000 women to 71 birth per 1,000 women. Key features. The program includes the mentorship, scholarship, and 10 centers across the country and provide the healthcare and contraceptions. Sierra Leone National Strategy and Advocacy Efforts. The program. Sierra Leone developed a national strategy from the reduction of teenage pregnancy in SRTP. In 2012, driven the public commitments from political leaders. The success of the program. The success is while the implementation of the NSRTP was harmed by resources constraints and the Ebola outbreaks, the study highlights the importance of political commitment and advocacy in driving progress toward reducing the teenage pregnancy. Key features. The key features, the NSTRP was involved by locally relevant data and advocacy efforts from international nations. What are some of the effective ways to prevent the teenage pregnancy? Preventing teenage pregnancy is crucial for the well-being of young individual families and society. There are several effective strategies that can be implemented to address this issue. Comprehensive sex education. Providing comprehensive sex education and age-approximate sex education is a cornerstone of preventing teenage pregnancy. This education should cover biology of reproduction, a clear understanding of how pregnancy occurs, including the role of hormones, ovulation, and fertilization. Contraception. Detailed information on various contraceptive methods, including their effectiveness, advantages, disadvantages, and correct usage. This should include condoms, hormonal methods, pill, patch, ring, implant, and long-active reversible contraception (LARCs) like intrauterine devices. Healthy relationship. Teaching teenagers about healthy relationship, consist communication and respecting boundaries is a crucial. This device navigate the relationship responsibly and make informed decisions. Sexual transmitted infection (STIs). Information about STIs, their transmission symptoms, and prevention in initial. This includes the importance of condom use for STS prevention. Access to contraception. Teenagers should have easy to affordable access to a wide range of contraception methods. This includes over-the-counter access, making some contraceptives like condoms readily available without a prescription can increase their use. Confidential service. Teenagers should be able to access a contraceptive service without a parental consent in many cases. This ensures the privacy and encourages the young people to seek help. And the financial assistance. The program that help and provide the financial assistance for contraception can help that make it more accessible to low-income teenagers. Lastly is the parental involvement. Parents play a crucial role in preventing teenager pregnancy. They can open communication and role modeling, monitoring. Conclusion. Teenage pregnancy has a significantly negative consequences for individuals, families, and society, including the health risk, economic hardship, and limited opportunities. Effective prevention requires a multifaceted approach encompassing a comprehensive sex education, increased access to contraception, and addressing the social and economic factors. Support the system that empower the teens to make and informed choices are crucial for a brighter future.